Now, creating logo is not that easy, but it's very simple. Most of the logo you see online are done using their smartphone. You pay 1k, 3,000, 5,000 for you to get your logo within a day, 12 hours. This is very easy, what you can sit down and do by yourself using your phone. Now, what do I want to create? That is the first question that comes to your mind. What do you want to create? Logo for who? Now, I want to create logo for myself, maybe for my training. I cannot say I can use something related to an house, something like this. Something like an house. David Patrick training. So, or I want to create something for a TV owner. A TV owner. Able Dave TV. So now let's create one logo now. I want to create a logo for myself. David Patrick YouTubers. David Patrick training. Now change the background, the size. Your logo size must always be in YouTube thumbnail. Now this is what you see after clicking the three dots. Image size, the costume thumbnail. Click the OK. Now this is the size here. Now this Pizza Lab has a lot of action in it, which you can use to perform various action, which you are seeing the editing text. This is the main action here, where you see the why these are also, and these two. You see. Now let's start with the first one. I'll show you what I want to create. This is what I want to do here. This is just small logical reason. Waking up Sunday to do something. Now you click the plus sign to add something to this place. I want to use shape. This is what I want to do here. This. So now I will duplicate. I want to duplicate this now. You click on, it's already clicked already. You can use this to edit, to duplicate, to edit your action. You see, this is the duplicate. You can also use this again. Copy. I click this. Now Ctrl Z to undo your action, which is this. I want to drag this. Since it's not dragging like that, I can use the position. You see. Now this is what I want to do here. Rotate this a little. Use the position. I use the relative to relative. You only have you only have these actions here. They all perform different actions. You see this. See this. Now I need this one. I'll go back to the position. I can reduce the speed in which this thing can be moved. Since this is okay now, the next one here, I will rotate it a little. I'm trying to form something like house. See, Now since this is ready, now I need to cut this out, these two edge. I need another chip. Scroll down, apply the color black. You duplicate, you copy also, you copy, you click. So I want to use it to cut this thing out, this stuff out, and use this to cut this small one out. Now what I will use to move this shape to this particular place is the position. Now you go back to this place, this middle icon, you see the position, you use this to go like this, to move like this. Now you reduce the speed a little again. Once it is covered up, since it's already covered, now same to the second one also. You notice I'm using a zooming. This is the zoom here. To zoom your work, click on it and use your two finger to zoom. Position. Position. Now let's go back to the shape. Now what you need to do now is to group these four, is to group them together. 1 2 3 4 5. You group them together. Now how do you group? Use this icon here, and this to select 1 2 3 4 5. Now you match them together. This is the grouping. Now the next one is to close this tab. You open, click on it to close it. Now you see, now the action that will occur now is I want to use this particular black to remove that small edge that is showing like this. Since it's already clicked, now you go to stay on the middle action here. You see the erase color. Once you enable the erase color, you click on this something like drop. Once you click on it, you drag from here to here. You can also drag from here. It will only clear the action that is here, the block icon that is here only. So once you drag from here, it will do the two together. Now you see, since that icon, that block that I used to cover up is affecting this, and you are seeing that, so there's no need to panic on that. We will cover up using our color. Didn't press the OK button. Now that same action, enable. You see, now Now what I need now is the second one, which is something like the block here. I will duplicate this using a copy. Now I want to clear this off, this edge and this edge small. I'll use this max, enable it. You are seeing the action showing now. Since it's okay now. Now this particular face is showing. So what do I need to do is to clear it off using the eraser to clear it. Now increase the width using that button there. You see, now you see it. Now what I need again is to cut this off. I want to cut this off, cut this particular edge off. Now use the plus sign again, bring out shape, black color, you match the two again together. I'm trying to form something like a block here. So let's merge this and this. When I click the margin, this is what you want to merge here, this one and this. Since I matched the wrong stuff here, let me try again. So this and this, done that already. Now you see, now you go to that erase color to cut this off. See, the action was wrong. Now erase color, enable, pick color. You see, now you see. And let me clear this off. Something is still showing here, the shape color, the shape. So let me duplicate this. I notice there is something still showing here. position. Now let me match this together. I don't know the one I want to match. Now let me check well. This and this. So I match the wrong one. This and this. Yeah, so now you use it's not well placed. Use the position. Still not showing well. Now let's merge. Go to your erase color. And you see. And let me erase this off. Something is still showing here. Yeah, so this is my second roof for the house. Position still not okay. Yeah, so good. Now let's merge. I didn't know the one I'm merging, this one and this. You go to your color, erase color. Now you drag this. So this is what I want to form here. Since this is not good enough, now let me form by myself using another shape. Duplicate. Now use the grid to know what you are doing if it's in a straight line. The one I did is somehow too wide, so I don't need this. Let me use this to break it off. Now let's go. You match the three together. 1, 2, 3. See. Now you use another shape to cut the head off. You copy. Now let me match